Thinking of starting an ironing business in Singapore? With busy lifestyles, dual-income households, and growing demand for convenience services, ironing and laundry-related businesses remain a practical and steady opportunity. An ironing business may offer home-based ironing services, pickup and delivery ironing, or support services for households, offices, and small businesses. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate personal service or laundry-related business activities. Next, operational setup is key. This includes deciding whether to operate from home or a small facility, investing in ironing equipment, setting service packages, and managing logistics for pickup and delivery. Clear pricing and service standards help build customer trust. You'll also need to consider manpower planning, workplace safety, and basic hygiene practices. Strong financial planning helps manage operating costs, pricing, cash flow, and tax compliance as your business grows. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support service-based businesses with company incorporation, tax planning, regulatory compliance, and accounting services, so you can build a simple and sustainable ironing business.